Hey, well, everybody, guess what? We got a package. LTT cable ties. Anyway, packing slip, Linus Tech Tip screwdriver. Ooh, finally I'll be able to screw with confidence. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's orange in my box of bits. Ooh, look at that. Let's screw some things, like this PC. Ooh, that ratchet in action. Let's see what we got in here. Yep, that's some quality screwing we did. LTTstore.com.